So I built a wall. It's 8 foot by 12 foot. And it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I built a wall. It's 8 foot by 12 foot. It's actually 3 plywoods put together side by side with a frame in the back. And originally my intent was to do a piece every day, but then I realized that's definitely not gonna be doable, especially given like that I don't know what I'm doing. Now it's turned into 30 pieces working full time on it until it's done. And I'm realizing how much of an investment that's gonna be on like supplies and paint. But yeah, it's a commitment. You might be wondering, how the heck can you afford all this, Derek? I can't. So now would be a great time to maybe hit subscribe. Maybe someday we can monetize this channel. Ever since I moved out of San Francisco back to my parents, I've been saving money on rent, but I'm not working because I'm unemployed because I got laid off. So yeah, I don't know how that works out, but I actually did get a bunch of cool stuff that I always wanted when I was little and I couldn't afford it. So got some spray paint, got some paint pens. The plan is to start off with some of the cheaper high pressure paint like the Rust-Oleum. Then we'll move over to some of the low pressure paint and maybe get a better feel for it. We'll see. Shoots. Why did I take all this out? Now I need to put it back. So you might be asking, why the heck am I doing this if I can't afford all this paint? Well, I want to get good at something, and frankly, I think this is a good way of doing it. I think a lot of times we might get too comfortable, or we just expect someone to give us something. I think for the longest time I wanted to be good at this. I kind of realized no one's just going to give me the opportunity if I have no skills, and I'm just a beginner, I'm not actually doing anything to get there. So I figured if I did something every day, maybe I could just build my skills so that I'm more valuable to someone in the future. This could lead to absolutely nothing, and it could be a failure, but I think it's good to fail fast and learn, rather than never have the experience at all. I know that the skills I'm gonna get from this are gonna help me for anything in the future. So for me, the investment up front is totally worth it. Plus, it's still cheaper than an iPad. Granted, this is still like pretty expensive. So the plan will be 30 pieces, working full time on it. Hopefully it's a bit of a grind. I picked a really big scale. I didn't realize how big the wall was, to be honest, but I think that I'm up for the challenge. I actually have like no previous graffiti experience, but I've always wanted it. So this is my way of, I guess, just getting it. It's like growing up, what was I possibly gonna tag? Like, there's trees, maybe a rock, but yeah, my dad would probably just get mad at that. Plus, I think there's like a constant fear of failure. This will help me get kind of past that because I'm just kind of creating an environment where, frankly, no one's really gonna see it, except on this YouTube video, which, you know, I don't have any subscribers anyway, so it's not a big deal. So the wall's ready. I don't know if I'm ready, but we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be cool, and I'm excited. So 30 pieces, full time, hopefully done in a couple months. It'd be great if you could follow along. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to like. Either way, hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Back up. That's the game you gon' get if you step up. Messed up.